Hi guys! We are leaving to England today. We're driving through the night and we're actually first going to Holland because we can't travel through France. Oh dear, forgot my pillow for the road. I am so excited though. Like, I did not think this was gonna happen this year. So I'm just so excited to go and try and get free from quarantine. Okay guys, are you ready for your cuddly night? This is how you're sleeping, okay Darian?
That's it.
You guys have pillows. Who's excited? Come on. First one out. Who will be next? You're tired too? Alright, who slept and who didn't?
I didn't.
You couldn't
I
sleep.
slept.
Darian, did you sleep? Barely slept. Are you feeling better? Well, it's only half an hour left. Should I take the wheel?
No.
Would that be worse?
Ja. Oh, ligt out.
The beach smell. Nice sand.
What is this?
Olivia's digging it. Go, Darian! Yeah. Woohoo!
That's loud.
Yeah. Darian, are you excited? In England now, and we're watching the news, and apparently it was bumpy for a reason. We drove through a hurricane. What do you think? Yay! What do you think, Olive? We had one vomit, almost vomit. I lost him at some point. Almost vomit. People were pretty freaked out sometimes. It was pretty cool. Coolest trip to England ever.
We're getting closer by the minute now.
we arrived after a very long trip. The girls are in their bed, super excited for a night in bed after that long drive. They have like a proper princess bed right now. You guys like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. We are so tired, so dead, and we still feel the hurricane moving under our feet.
Feels like we're still on the boat.
It's crazy. Let's go get some sleep, okay? Night night. Hey guys! Currently waiting in the car for our day 2 corona test, though it's actually our first day here in England, but you're allowed to do it either a day before or on the day. So we are at the Marriott. We managed to find a test for £30 a person. 4 of us have to get it done. Darian, he's not old enough, he doesn't need one. We were really lucky with these tests because I heard the ones that you buy for your house, I was hearing that like people weren't getting their results back from these companies and they were really expensive, like the cheapest being like £60. Most of the days 2 and 8 together were $150. We managed to get 2 and 8 together for $30. Be nice if they were just free like they were in Germany, to be honest, if they're going to be made mandatory, but we managed to get an appointment 2 weeks in advance. Was not easy. So yeah, we're getting our day 2 and hopefully of course it's negative. That's the most important. Yay, corona test day. Alright you guys, I think this is where we end the video. We have good news. We did our day 8 test yesterday. We're negative. We have 1.5 days left of quarantine and then we get to go and explore my favorite place in the whole world. I am so excited and incredibly grateful right now. The obstacles it took to make this work. We had planned to come for a 3-week visit already in April, like very early April. I already booked everything. This is Airbnb, by the way. We love doing Airbnb because there's usually stuff for the kids. Unfortunately, the UK didn't really put that many countries on the green list. Germany is still currently amber, so we always hoped we would get on the green list, but we stayed on the amber list until our leaving date, and that just made everything crazy. We didn't think we were gonna do it, but you guys know me. We've had a lot of things we've had to do, but I think the patience is always, it's the thing that I have to constantly work on, and this experience is definitely teaching me that. It would have been a lot easier if Germany would have ended up on the green list, but though it took a lot of patience and trial and struggle with some unexpected bumps along the way, we would not actually be spending an entire month here. We decided to just go ahead and go for it. We will be staying here for another 2 weeks, and then we will be going somewhere that's a surprise. It's in England, and I will show you guys once we get to that point. Being held prisoner in England has not actually been that much of a punishment though, to be fair. So yeah, I'm just super grateful that everything worked out in the end, and we're going to continue to be respectful while we're here and do everything we would do at home. I do think restrictions have lightened up around here. I don't know how it actually goes out in the public because I haven't been out. I've heard some rumors. We've talked to some lovely people from the borders of our quarantine. It's been so nice to be back and to be in touch with everybody around here again, and I'm so excited we can finally announce it. I know I kept it a secret. I decided it was a good opportunity for the internet break I had been wanting to do for a long time, and also it just seemed a lot easier to go ahead and go off-grid when things were just a little bit uncertain. Nonetheless, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and you're looking forward to all the adventures. We filmed our meals and what we've been getting on with in quarantine, and we'll be filming a place tour. If you guys want, leave it in the comments below if that's something you'd be interested in. Give the video a thumbs up, and yeah, we'll see you guys for some more adventures.